Welcome to the channel, guys. In today's episode we're going to be answering the question of how the hell do I make the best paper airplane, paper jet ever. This plane is amazing, it flies amazing, it's a step-by-step tutorial, it's easy. Let's get at it, let's go. Step 1 is you fold the paper in half. Okay, make sure it's even. Okay, fold it in half, just like that, and then open it up. Okay, step 1. Step number 2 is you take each corner and you fold it to make a little triangle. The center crease that goes down the middle of the page, which formed because you folded the paper in half, is sort of your guideline to know where each triangle piece that you fold here and here should end. Okay, so as you can see, triangle piece number 1 ends right here, where the center of the page is. The center line that was formed because we folded our paper in half, that line is here. You fold one triangle down here, okay, just like that, and you fold the other triangle down there, just like that. So now you have that. Now take this here, okay, grab each triangle, each corner like that, and fold over. There we go. Press down, and you should be left with that. Okay, it should look like an envelope. Now, if you're asking and wondering how far do I fold over and fold down, you fold basically along that line there. So along this line here, that's where you fold. Okay, and then you're left with that. The next step is you take each one of these corners and you're going to want to fold it to the center over here. Okay, here, there, there, there. Okay, watch. So we're going to take this corner here and you are going to fold it right in over there and then press down. Okay, and then you're going to do the same to the other side. Okay, you take this side, fold it to the center of the page, this side, fold it to the center of the page. Okay, and you should be left with that. Now if you're wondering how far from this little bottom of the triangle to fold each corner to, you just need to go about 2 centimeters from the bottom here, right up there. It doesn't really matter if it's too far up here, too far down here, just about a nice midpoint over here is good, as you can see. Okay, let's get close up to that. There we go. See, that's perfect. The next step is you're going to want to take this little triangle here, this little end here, and fold it back and over this point here. Okay, just like this. Take that little end, as you can see, and just fold it back and over there, just like that. That's what it looks like. Okay, so you took this end here and you folded it back up and over to form that. Okay, and that's what you have left. So these two little folds here are kind of like tucked in underneath this one right here. Okay, next step is you're going to want to take your paper plane, okay, just like that, this little fold part on this side of the page, face it towards you, and what you're going to do now is fold backwards. Okay, so not forwards, you're going to want to fold the whole plane backwards and it should fold quite easily because of that center crease that you made earlier on during the first step. So the next step is just to simply fold the paper plane backwards so that you are left with this. Okay, do it again. I'm gonna fold it backwards. Here's my little flap down and fold backwards. Okay, so what happens is these two little triangles here get tucked in here and fold backwards, and they all hold into place. So you are now left with this. The next step now is to make the wings. Okay, we're gonna make the wings and really give this paper plane some shape. Okay, so what you're gonna do is put the plane on its side, and we're gonna fold down onto the wings. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this top corner here, you're gonna fold, okay, until it just hangs over this corner here. So if you watch closely, I'm gonna take the top corner here, okay, I'm gonna fold it just till it hangs over. Okay, can you see how it just hangs over? Do it again, top corner, just till it hangs over about there. So top corner, fold, just till it hangs over that point there, and you're going to give it a good press down. Just like that. Okay, that's one wing done. Now we're going to do the next wing. Now that this wing is done, we're going to flip the plane over, and we're going to fold the next wing. Okay, same story. This corner, fold it down here just till it's chilling somewhere below this point here. You're going to take the corner here and just fold till it's about there. Okay, do it again. Just going to take the wing, fold. Okay, and make sure this corner and this corner here line up, just like that. Okay, and then you're going to make sure everything lines up, things nice and straight, and then you are going to press down on the wing, just like that. Okay, so now both sides are folded. So all we did here, to recap, is we took this corner here, top corner, fold it over until it met up with this other corner here, and then we press down, and as you can see over here, everything is nice and straight, everything matches up. Okay, everything's in line, it looks great. And now all we do is grab that bottom part there, and you open up the wings, and look what we have. We have this perfect paper plane that's going to fly absolutely beautifully. Everything is nice and straight, the lines are beautiful. There we go. What we can do now is the last and final step, just to make sure this plane glides perfectly and has a little bit of just nice flight. We're going to take each rear corner of the wing, okay, that part there and that part there. What we're going to do is we're just going to give it a little fold, a little curl up, just like that, just like that. So now your wing has this little fold going up, just a little one. Okay, come on this side. As you can see, it's straight now. We're just going to take this corner, give it a bit of a fold. Okay, and there you have it. Now it has a little curl going up. So that's how it looks in the front. That is how it looks at the back, side, side. Okay, perfect. There you have it. The perfect paper plane. It looks great. Flies great. It's literally perfect. Promise you, when you fly this thing, it's just gonna rip through the air and sail. It's gonna have speed. Plus, it's just gonna have that awesome gliding ability. It's gonna be great. Just give it a throw. Make sure you hold it just like this. Okay. Right there on that fold. And just give it a nice throw. Promise you, it's gonna be awesome.